you want to put on the side. Our newer models are all built-in cavities. So if it's going to have a 3-bin mailbox, it's actually going to be 3-bin mailbox inside the door. Boom. Okay, install our paper trays. We did. Put on the configuration page. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so units booted up. This one here is going into Canadian banking, so it's going into a branch. I know that because it's got this icon on here. When they get on site, they're actually, once they've done their internal tests, just basic functional tests, yeah, prints from all trays, I can scan it. Then they're going to go to the client and have the client do some testing, like send yourself an email. If you've got an application like this, can you do an, just whatever it's called, can you do an e-courier? And this way they can do their internal test. There is a component in here where you can actually validate that the fax is working as well. This way you know that you got the fax connected right, that they plugged it into the right analog port. So that's the other cause of concern sometimes is plugged into the wrong. So they disconnected the old one, they pulled out the phone jack from the wall, but a lot of places there's there's 2 analog ports. Yeah. And they plugged it into the wrong one and the fax doesn't work. This will tell them, I plugged it into the wrong one. So part of the fax test, and they would do that, I think it's fairly early on that I put it in this test. They do that fax test. It basically sends a fax to our internal server that we have at HP, and then it sends you a fax back. So it does that end-to-end test. Yeah. So these are all ready. They should 99% should be ready configured. Again, this is the one part where I said if there were an issue, maybe it was configured incorrectly. Maybe they connected this in the wrong location on site.
Trust me, it's going to happen.
It's going to happen. So anything that I say, it could means it
again, there's the virtual contact now, right? So we're trying to run through all our tests and we're running through.
So do you have any letter-size paper? We can just put some paper in these.
Yeah.
Actually, and legal.
So while they're going step by step, they hit a wall. That's the virtual contact, right? And they're probably going to say, do this and that, and go, oh, still on the Kansas, or it's not configured properly, or whatever they say. At that point, I assume they're either going to walk them through fixing that problem, or it's going to be removed. One or the other. Yeah. I doubt we'd be leaving it there. You knew we were watching.
Okay, so this is going to be one where you can see if it's not adjustable. So this one is just not going to work. So that's going to cause a jam, and when they do, the on-site guys are going to need to know to make sure, because this could actually shape and move during shipment. So they're gonna need to know how to adjust it. So this is one of those plans where I can say, the paper tray is configured inside the printer for what size papers in that tray, in that configuration. The other ones would have like little fingers over here, which basically does sensors. So this one I'll show you when we get to it. It'll show you that that's a little different. So this is one that we actually, so on some of our newer printers, they'll actually feed through the back. This is one that actually still feeds through the front. But the adjustment So the adjustment for the size on this one is actually to go legal is at the back. Some of the other ones it might be at the back and you would pull it and it would kind of sit out of the printer. But again, once you've released that, now we've actually got different options for the size of that paper. 14. Now it's legal. This is what happens at the back, so you can see now that it actually comes out at the back. With this one here, again, there's actually a cover, maybe not on this one. So actually I didn't even notice this myself because I haven't done one of these in a long time. But you can lock the trays from the back. You don't have to actually go through the front, which is good. So the access to locking the back part of the tray is right here. So push in is locked. Pull back is unlocked. Okay, so we'll just go through, do a few test pages. So on the control panel, again, like I said, it's just a swipe. We go to the
Actual tablet.
yeah, it's basically a tablet. So we can go in and we can do reports. And configuration page and configuration page. There's different icons on these. So one is I can look at the configuration page, and then the two is it's a little icon of a printer. Print.
It's got to be blank, right? No, look at
Woohoo!
This will tell you as well some of the stuff like I was saying. So because it doesn't have the fingers, the paper tray should already be configured by Tech Data. Tray 2, letter. Tray 3, legal. Tray 4, letter. So, they should always load the paper with that assumption in mind, put it in, print a configuration page, check your paper trays and options, and make sure then whatever's set in here matches in here, in the trays. Is there anything else you guys need to know in here? So, the network information on here should match what's on here. So there's an IP on there, 12.17, so that's on here. Now what you would also see on here, right now it's doing an IO card initializing, we say IO card ready. So this would show ready. If the network cable is connected, it's online, it's communicating, it would come back with a ready not initializing. That's telling you it's good, it's on the network. Whoever I'm talking to should be able to see it based on this IP.
And what's it saying on there if it's not?
If it's not, it's
Blank.
saying IO card initializing. I think they've given in, I don't know if it's at the back here, so I created a little troubleshooting section about network, which is important. Also put a little addendum for this whole 5 series with the paper tray I put in the back to make sure that it's set right to the right paper. This is the networking page, right? So this is how you troubleshoot network. It's just like on your PC, you've got little lights. If they're flashing, there's data going back and forth. If it's not, it's dead. It's not connected properly. You've either plugged it into the wrong one, and this is why it's critical that the device that's coming out, they print a configuration page first, so you don't get in that loop of troubleshooting something that was already broken, right? So you can you can go down rabbit holes, and I've had to go and support techs where they've messed up, and they've missed a couple of the few first steps of making sure everything's good before I even start. So the test on the previous printer is your validation that everything is all good and kosher and the network is connected. But like I said, it shows your IO card ready, shows that this is good. IO card initializing, there's no communication going on.
So you can definitely see people, the more they do this, the less they'll follow this.
Yeah,
The trick
the less,
is it's 1 to 100.
yeah,
That's it.
yeah. The
That's your
first few
checklist.
they must
Yeah.
have reviewed, tried to memorize some of it.
Yeah.
The crucial steps that I'm saying: network, cables, plugged in, right ones, wherever the printer's coming out, everything gets plugged in to the same jacks and ports that was in. That's your test that, okay, well, I know over here is okay, something's wrong with me here in the printer.
So maybe we can take a picture of the old site and all the.
Yeah, yeah. Picture of the jacks is probably
I think
a
the
good
first couple-
a good sanity
I'll go
check
with them.
maybe for them.
Yeah. So I know.
So that there is our print test. We do a paper puff. Yeah. These ones, so the Future Smart 4. So these are all our newer ones. Some of this in here is based on Future Smart 3. It doesn't have the paper puff test. Support tools.
Really?
Yeah, and this one doesn't have
The only guy that gets away with the 3 buzzes. The rest of them get right hook.
So this is where we need to modify this slightly so they can do their proper. So I use the configuration page. So for the rest of the paper cut test, I use the configuration page from the scan function to do test. So, so
No, but they don't have that. If you're on site and you don't have this, you have a problem.
this would get removed on site.
Copy text here, so.
Yeah, I mean, it's gotta be part of the tool. It has to. Well, yeah, it's always train the trainer, right? So you take the other guy until he knows, he takes the next guy until he knows. This is Eureka, how are you? Good.
Everybody's out here. It's like a meeting.
Yeah, it's like a meeting.
Something like that.
So here we can actually do a paper cut test. We're just going to go and print to the actual paper trick opposite the true for
I don't think that. I think it's what? So if we're shipping and then consider this an example of the final hot. Same thing. So it's the final hot that wants to do this. Put it on the local truck, secure it, wrap it, and deliver it. Right? So yeah, it's everybody has to have it. Except for in case you need to ship it.
Yeah, but the weight.
Yeah, of course. But that's easy to translate anyway. And they're gonna have it long before they do it. Right? Remember, you're getting anything that much, and then like, it's on the back time.